Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests.
Sampling design problems look intimidating, but you can master them in 60 seconds. Let us break down this specific question using a simple, fast, 3-step process. The tournament has 18 teams, each with equal members. The director picks 2 members from every single team. This structure implies that teams are treated as distinct groups or strata. In cluster sampling, we pick entire groups. Here, we pick individuals from every group. Because we ensure representation from every team, this is stratified random sampling, not cluster sampling. Boom! Since the director randomly selects members from each team to ensure coverage, it fits the definition of stratified random sampling perfectly. Other methods do not match this specific design. Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid mixing clusters and ignoring strata. Always verify subgroups and check your selection process carefully.